my setup. It's a surveyor's tripod and a custom head I made that has the base of a theodolite, an old theodolite, a belt tensioner out of a Chevy pickup or something, and then a couple of harmonic drive, Japanese harmonic drive assemblies with worm gear drives and little motors that I haven't hooked up to anything yet, but I can just reach in and turn these, or I can disengage them and then disengage it and then just turn this as a thumb wheel. Then I've got the P1000 bolted onto there. Where did our sun go? There it is. Well, it's hard to see the screen out here, but anyway, but you can see it gives a pretty steady picture, which you can't see because it's too bright out here. And then I can relatively accurately adjust the sun and the position using those brass gears.